Hello and welcome to this tutorial for Software Ideas Modeler. Today, I'll show you how to create a custom diagram template that you can reuse for your designs. For this demonstration, we'll be creating a user interface diagram to design a message box dialog. First, we'll create a new user interface diagram. To do that, switch to the Project tab in the ribbon and click on Add New Diagram. In the left menu, choose the wireframing category, and from the right, select User Interface Diagram. Now click OK. We will create a message box dialog template. First, select the Window tool and draw the window by dragging it onto the canvas. This will be the frame of our message box. Now, right-click on the window and uncheck the Maximize and Minimize buttons. This will ensure the window doesn't have those options in our template. Next, let's add an info icon. Select the Ellipse tool from the Drawing toolbox, and while holding Shift, draw a perfect circle inside the window. Now use the Art Text tool to type an I for the information icon. You can adjust the font and size using the Format tab in the ribbon. Once you're done, select the circle, and in the Home tab, choose a glossy blue style, or any other style you prefer for the icon. Next, we'll add a label for the message text. Select the Label tool and drag to size it, covering most of the window area. Now, we'll add the OK and Cancel buttons. Select the Button tool and drop it in the bottom right corner of the window. Repeat the step to add another button next to the first one. Let's double-click the left button and rename it OK and the right one Cancel. Now, select both buttons, go to the Format tab, and in the Layout group, uncheck left and top anchor points. Check right and bottom anchors to ensure they stay in place when resizing. For the message label, check the right and bottom anchors, while leaving the left and top checked as well. With our message box template complete, let's save it as a reusable diagram template. Switch to the Process tab and click on Create Diagram Template. Enter a name for the template, let's call it Message Box, and click OK. To use the new diagram template, go back to the Project tab and click Add New Diagram. In the Templates category, select our Message Box template. Specify a name for your diagram, let's call it Confirmation Dialog, and click OK. And that's it. Your new diagram is created using the custom template. You can now easily rename the window title and label to fit your needs. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Software Ideas Modeler tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.